not just as a younger brother. Consider me as a romantic partner too, okay?
This feeling is so bad. It must be because work has been too busy lately. No time for dating. Bottled up for too long. What should I do to keep you by my side without hurting you? Huh? Thinking like this is so selfish. Wake up! Tainji, how did you become such a greedy person? It hurts so much. It is sent! Is it too late to cancel? I am so stupid!
An insecure criminal. Scared like this, but still wanting to be a bad guy. You are really contradictory.
Don't come over! Please!
Let me go!
Why didn't you look into me beforehand? If you are going to frame someone, at least make the scene look decent. Full of loopholes. Let's make a deal. You tell me who sent you, and I'll share a secret with you.
Yes.
Information on everyone related to that bar is all you hear. It is so pleasant to work with rich people.
The killer, through the retroauricular vein, injected high-concentration alcohol into the victim, causing the victim to, in a short period of time, die of alcohol poisoning. The position of the retroauricular vein connects with the hairline. The location is hidden. Even the forensic doctor couldn't find the needle mark during the initial examination. Thinking of using hair to cover the injection site shows the killer understands human anatomy very well and has some knowledge of anatomy. If it wasn't Lin Mo, who else could it be? The social relations of the people coming and going at the bar are complex. Finding the suspect is like looking for a needle in a haystack. Ah! This car! Is actually the hit-and-run vehicle that killed the female college student, who incidentally appeared outside the bar on the night of the crime. Could it have been following Lin Mo all along? If the target was Lin Mo from the start, why did the killer do so many things? Murder, framing. I can't think of any other reason besides revenge. Why? What on earth is the killer's goal? You will not let me be alive.
Officer Min Jae-chul has already got the evidence of your murder. Do you understand what I mean? You can go destroy the evidence.
Damn it! Why is it like this? Even daring to touch the police. So reckless! I definitely won't let him off. This case is too dangerous. You can't just be exposed out there. Starting from today, you will live at my house. I will protect you 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
James Fallon believes that psychopathy is the result of the interaction of three factors. The three factors are like the legs of a stool. Supporting his theory, the orbital cortex, as well as the prefrontal cortex, including the amygdala being hypoactive, multiple high-risk mutations in genes, having suffered mental, physical, or sexual abuse in early childhood. Our innate genes determine 80% of our personality, while nurture factors control the remaining 20%. In other words, everyone all have the potential to become psychopaths. And James Fallon, who has the psychopathic gene through his mother's nurture, changed his fate of becoming a criminal.
Have you watched the new anime that just came out?
Class is finally over.
I am exhausted.
I don't want to do anything.
Lin Mo, come over here for a moment. I heard that you haven't continued your treatment recently. Why?
It is no longer needed.
You know, I have always advocated that psychopathic personalities can be cured. To me, you mean more than any experimental case. I don't want you to give up easily.
Those meds, EP07, penfluorido, make me feel very uncomfortable. Sluggish thinking, drowsiness, and mild sexual dysfunction. I want to stay clear-headed.
Did something happen? Did those people harass you again? What do you plan to do? Do you need my help?
No need. This is my own business. I have been running away for too long. This time, I am going to become the hunter.
Antisocial psychopaths cannot feel emotions. And because of this, once emotions do appear, they are instead extraordinarily sensitive. This emotion could be a cure, or it could be a fatal threat. Is it because of his appearance that you changed?
We agreed you'd stay at my place, but you ended up following me here anyway. What a luxurious house. I've worked for so long and still live in Pingnan District. What kind of suffering is this?
Brother, you don't need to rent a place. This house is an inheritance my mother left me. No one has lived here for many years. Since my mother passed away, I've been a bit afraid to come here. It is so great that you are willing to accompany me, brother.
Over the years, he still hasn't been able to walk out of the shadow of that time.